Dreaming of the open sea, stunning destinations, and unforgettable adventures, all without emptying your savings? Budget-friendly cruises are the ultimate travel hack, and 2025 is shaping up to be the year of affordable luxury on the high seas. From the icy wilderness of Alaska to the sun-soaked beaches of the Caribbean, these 7 insanely cheap cruises will make you rethink how far your dollar can go. Stick around, because the last cruise offers an unbeatable deal you won't want to miss. 1. Carnival's 4-day Baja Mexico cruise. Kicking off our list is the Carnival 4-day Baja Mexico cruise, a budget traveler's paradise with prices starting at just $149 per person. This cruise departs from Long Beach, California, and heads straight for the lively port city of Ensenada, Mexico. Imagine indulging in authentic street tacos or sipping a refreshing horchata by the beach, all without spending more than $10 per meal ashore. What makes this cruise so affordable? Carnival offers plenty of onboard entertainment that's included in your fare. You'll enjoy comedy shows, live music, and themed pool parties, all part of their signature fun ship experience. For those traveling with kids, the onboard water park is a lifesaver, giving parents a chance to relax without adding extra costs. And don't forget the savings on food. From all-you-can-eat buffets to casual dining, your meals are covered. If you're seeking a short escape that delivers incredible value, the Baja Mexico cruise is a no-brainer. From the vibrant coastlines of Baja, let's journey to the turquoise waters of the Caribbean, where another steal of a deal awaits. 2. MSC Cruises 7-Night Caribbean Cruise. Luxury meets affordability on MSC Cruises 7-Night Caribbean Cruise, with prices starting at just $299 per person. Departing from Miami, this cruise takes you to dream destinations like Nassau in the Bahamas, Jamaica's Ocho Rios, and MSC's private island, Ocean Cay Marine Reserve. What makes this cruise stand out isn't just the cost, but the perks that come with it. MSC frequently offers promotions like Kids Sail Free, making this an excellent choice for families. And let's talk about Ocean Cay. MSC's private island is an eco-friendly paradise with white sandy beaches, snorkeling opportunities, and beachside BBQs. Plus, MSC's ships are designed to cater to all tastes. Whether you prefer fine dining or casual bites, the dining options on board are flexible and reasonably priced. For travelers who want a longer vacation that feels luxurious but fits a budget, this cruise is a hidden gem. Think cruising is all about tropical vibes? Let's switch gears and explore the breathtaking wilderness of Alaska on our next affordable adventure. 3. Norwegian Cruise Line's 5-day Alaska cruise. Alaska's awe-inspiring landscapes might seem like a luxury, but Norwegian Cruise Line's 5-day Alaska cruise proves otherwise. With prices starting at just $249 per person, this itinerary offers unbeatable value for travelers who crave nature and adventure. Departing from Seattle, this cruise takes you through the stunning Inside Passage, with stops in iconic ports like Ketchikan and Juneau. Imagine whale watching from the deck, spotting bald eagles soaring above, and walking along glacier-fed rivers, all included in the experience. Norwegian also sweetens the deal with their Free at Sea promotion, which often includes complimentary drink packages, dining credits, or Wi-Fi. These perks alone can save you hundreds, making this an even better option for budget-conscious travelers. If you're ready to explore the last frontier without spending a fortune, this cruise is calling your name. From the icy beauty of Alaska, let's sail to a region known for its charm and culture, the Mediterranean. 4. Costa Cruises 7-Night Western Mediterranean Cruise. European adventures don't have to come with a hefty price tag, and Costa Cruises proves it with their 7th-night Western Mediterranean cruise. Starting at just $329 per person, this voyage takes you through Italy, France, and Spain, visiting iconic cities like Rome, Marseille, and Barcelona. Costa Cruises is known for its Italian flair and budget-friendly approach. Their a la carte dining options and early booking discounts keep costs low, while still offering a taste of Mediterranean luxury. Plus, the onboard entertainment, from live music to cultural shows, lets you immerse yourself in the region's vibe without spending extra. Want to explore ancient ruins in Rome or stroll through Barcelona's Gothic quarter? Costa's well-organized excursions offer affordable options to make the most of your trip. While Europe offers timeless charm, Southeast Asia is a rising star for budget travel, and our next cruise takes you right to its heart. 5. Royal Caribbean's 5-night Singapore to Malaysia cruise. Southeast Asia is synonymous with affordability, and Royal Caribbean's 5-night Singapore to Malaysia cruise is no exception. With fares starting at $199 per person, this cruise takes you from Singapore's bustling cityscape to Malaysia's pristine beaches in Penang and Langkawi. What sets this cruise apart? It's the perfect blend of modern luxury and local charm. On board, you'll find reasonably priced specialty dining and spa treatments, while ashore, you can explore vibrant night markets and stunning temples without breaking the bank. Royal Caribbean frequently offers sales, and savvy travelers can save even more by booking during promotions or bundling shore excursions with their tickets. It's a perfect gateway to explore Southeast Asia on a shoestring budget. Now, let's hop across the Pacific for a cruise experience that combines vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes. 6. Princess Cruises 7-day Mexican Riviera Cruise. The Mexican Riviera is a traveler's paradise, and Princess Cruises makes it accessible with their 7-day itinerary starting at just $399 per person. Departing from Los Angeles, this cruise visits Puerto Vallarta, Mazatlan, and Cabo San Lucas, offering a perfect mix of culture, adventure, and relaxation. Princess Cruises is renowned for its onboard elegance, and this cruise is no exception. What makes it budget-friendly are their frequent promotions, which often include discounted fares for early bookings and onboard credits. Whether it's enjoying a refreshing tropical juice by the pool or exploring Cabo's iconic arch, there's something for everyone to love. As impressive as the Mexican Riviera is, the final cruise on our list takes affordability to a whole new level. 7. Virgin Voyages 4-night Scarlet Lady Cruise. Luxury doesn't have to cost a fortune, and Virgin Voyages proves it with their 4-night Scarlet Lady Cruise, starting at just $299 per person. Departing from Miami, this adults-only cruise stops at vibrant Key West and Virgin's private beach club in Bimini. What sets Virgin Voyages apart is their all-inclusive pricing model. Your fare includes all dining options, Wi-Fi, and gratuities, so you're not hit with hidden fees. The onboard experience is designed for modern travelers, featuring trendy restaurants, wellness-focused activities, and even art workshops for those looking to channel their creativity. The private beach club in Bimini is a standout highlight, offering crystal-clear waters, live music, and relaxing cabanas. If you're looking for an affordable cruise that feels like a splurge, Virgin Voyages is the ultimate choice. And there you have it. 7 insanely cheap cruises that prove luxury and adventure don't have to come at a high cost. From the glaciers of Alaska to the vibrant cultures of the Mediterranean and beyond, these cruises cater to every kind of traveler. Which one are you booking for 2025? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more budget travel tips and tricks. Happy cruising!